Hi, I'm Tom Smith. I'm a Project Officer for the Advanced Communication Technologies project, known as the ACT project. ACT helps businesses in Ireland and Wales to better understand the opportunities that social media, the internet and modern communication has to offer. Today I'll be showing you how to set up a Facebook page for your business in 5 simple steps. This can be tricky and people often get confused of what to do. So let's follow on together and let's get started. Right, to create our Facebook business page, first we're going to head to Facebook. Enter facebook.com into your URL in the top of the Internet Explorer. Once on our Facebook page, we're going to head down to the Pages section here on the right hand side and we can click on More. This will show you the pages that you currently manage. If you don't manage any pages currently, then you won't have anything here, but you'll see a Create a Page button and we're just going to click here. This is going to open up the Create a Page option, which will show you the 6 categories of pages you can create. This can be local business or place, company, organisation or institute, brand or product, artist, band or public figure, entertainment or cause and community. For the example of this video blog, I think we're going to pick something in terms of a local business, so I'm going to click here. This will bring up a small category where you can start filling some of the details on here. So we can choose a subcategory of things within local business or place. I'm going to pick for our example video hotel. In here we can put in details of our business, so the ACT Hotel. I can put the street address. I'll put one street, city or county. The Wales team is based in Swansea, so I'm going to select Swansea. There we are. So once you've entered the basic information of your business or of your page that you're going to create here, you can click Let's Get Started. Once the page is loaded, it's going to ask you to set up the ACT Hotel. So this is going to start in 4 sections, which is about, profile pictures, add to favourites and reach more people. So to add a category, we could choose, being we've selected a hotel in this instance, you could put in here hotel and select and you'll find other categories. So we could also put in accommodation. No, accommodation's not on the list. Put in bed and breakfast, so any categories that relate to your business. This could be if you're a retailer, you could put in retail, shopping, product, etc. And then we can add a small description about the ACT Hotel. Yeah, ooh. ACT Hotel is open for ACT Week 2. And then you can also put in your website address here. Also, you get to choose a unique Facebook web address. This will be facebook.com/yourbusinessname. So you can choose anything you want here. Some things might already be taken, so you might need to pick a variation on this. So you could type in ACT Hotel, for instance. Let's see. Is the hotel ACT real venue, business establishment? Yes. Yes. Let's leave it on there and save information. Now what's this? Web address is not available. ACT Hotel, ACT Week 2. Save information. There we are. So once you've got to the next stage, you're going to be asked to upload a profile picture. So you can either upload a profile picture from your computer or you can import one from a website. So we'll just upload one now from our computer. So if we click upload, go to desktop, ACT logo and open. So let's just create a logo picture here. Your logo picture would ideally be something that relates to your business, such as ours is the ACT logo there. It could be the front of your store, you may have a business logo, or it might be some particular part of your branding that you might choose to use there. This will help create recognition in your user base and the people that follow you, so as you post, people will instinctively recognize this logo. So this is something that you might change in the early stages, but then leave constant once it's set up and once you're happy with it, and then you change other areas and other imagery of your Facebook page, which I will show you. So let's click next and go to add to favorites. Add to favorites is quite simple. All it is the small left hand side of the page where we clicked pages and more. It will add a link there into that hotbar, so you'll be able to just quickly navigate to your business page on there. So we'll go add to favorites and next. The reach more people option is a pay per option, so it will be asking you if you want to basically pay. At this stage I wouldn't recommend once you're setting your page up. This will be something that we'll address in a later video blog at a later stage, once we've looked at basics of setting up a page, frequency of posting, etc. and so on. So we'll skip that for now. So this is our Facebook, skip that now. So next. So this is our Facebook business page, the Act Hotel. Now that we're on the page, we can start to change some of the settings, the details, and also the look of the page. The next step will be to add some more information to your page. So we're going to scroll to the top of the page, and the small links with the drop down arrows here, we're going to click on Edit Page, and we're going to click on Update Page Information. Now that we're in the Update Page Information, you'll see 4 categories at the top: General, Page Information, Page Roles, and More. Everything about your page can be found in this section that you need in terms of the information displayed on your Facebook page. So we can start to fill in more details about our business on here. So for instance, our example is a hotel, so we can add here an operation hours of the business. So we can put in always open, or you can put in a specific time, 9 to 5 if you're a retailer, or if you make home visits, etc. you can put options in for there. You can also change things like, do we have parking available our business? We can say that we have street and car parking available here. So you can add lots of details to your page just to help your customers when they log onto your page. It's almost a second website for you in this case. You can also add an email address and contact phone numbers, etc. We can also manage the page administration roles on here by going to the top and clicking Page Roles. At the moment you'll see that I'm selected on here as the administrator of the page. We'd also be able to add other members to administer the page in various ways. I could type a friend that I am already connected with into this box here, and it will bring that up, and I'd be able to add them as an administrator or various other role. So you can add somebody as an admin, an editor, a moderator, an advertiser, or an analyst. This will enable you, if you have a business where multiple people will be posting or making content changes or editing the page in any way, you can add multiple admins. This is also beneficial in the early stages because you can also add people as administrators so they can invite their friends to the page to increase your likes on your page, and then at a later date you could remove them as an admin. So if somebody leaves your business or you don't wish for them to administer the page in any way, or their job role isn't working on the Facebook page all the time, you can change their permissions on the page on there. So, and you can also just click add another person here, so you can have multiple people. For instance, I believe the Act page has around, I think, 6 administrators. We all have shared and equal permissions on our page, so we're able to all make postings, we're all able to edit things on the page. So if one of us is away, the others can still continue to update the Facebook page. Finally, we'll look at General. clicking on the General tab, it will enable you to change some of the general settings of your page. This could be, for instance, post visibility, so certain posts can be seen by people following you, the ability to actually put messages on your page visibility, even age restrictions on there. Also profanity filters, so you can put a list of words that you don't wish to be shown on your page, and you can turn the profanity filter on to manage that. There's lots of settings in these tabs, so it's worth just going through and clicking on each one and having a little look at the settings and the options that are available in each tab. And as you go through and you make changes, you can save those changes throughout. So general, page information, and page roles. Next we're going to go back to our page, so we click view page and it will head back here. And we're going to look at the build an audience option, which is also just here at the top. So we click on build an audience, invite friends. So by clicking on the invite friends to begin with, I'm able to look at all of my friends on my Facebook page and invite them. In the early stages, a lot of people just invite every single person they can on their to their page and likes. But one thing to bear in mind is that all of those people on your friends list that you've met during your years and through Facebook might not be the people that are directly using your business. So don't create yourself a false economy by having 1,000 likes on your page, but actually none of those people are using your business in any way. So once you've got set up and you have those likes on there, it's time to actually start looking at how to build your audience through a more sort of complex way, through posting and through creating content and through sharing and just generally using Facebook to its full to bring in the likes to your page. Also by putting links and posting links on your own Facebook, or even by putting up a poster in your business to say that we are on Facebook, go like our page, and even telling your customers by word of mouth by saying, do you know that we're on Facebook? You should go and like our page. And they'll start to filter through and the people will start coming to those pages. Next, we're going to add a cover photo to our page. When we are on a Facebook page, it will look slightly different to the page we're currently seeing at the moment. This is our page manager, so where we have our notification, messages, invite friends, insights and more won't appear to the general public, of course. So we'll be seeing a slightly different page when we're actually on the Act Hotel page. So we'll add a cover photo now as well. Okay. The cover photo is quite an interesting piece of marketing for the Facebook page. The cover photo will enable you to change the photo, say seasonally or as new products arrive. It, in fact, is a bit like your banner above your store or in your store window or on your website or on your business page. So you can change this photo periodically as you feel fit, and this will enable you to keep this logo page constant. Once the add cover photo loads, you can click on a few options. You can choose a photo from your page photos. So if you've already started uploading and you're wanting to make a change to your banner photo, you can choose from your current photos on your page. You can also choose from your photos that are in your personal Facebook account. I'm going to upload a photo. I'm going to choose the same photo that we've already used in our logo. And now that it's in there, because of the proportions of the image, we've got an option to move this around. So this is something to bear in mind when you're making your banner photo. Just bear in mind the proportions, and you can Google the proportions for the banner photo and the profile picture, so you can crop those down. There's many apps available for phones, iPads, Android devices where you can crop them down to exactly the right size. I'm just going to position as, so you just see Act, and then click Save Changes, and that will save our banner photo. So this is this is it in its entirety. It's a bit samey at the moment because it's not as the same as our logo image, but for your business you could change this, as I say, periodically to match what's happening within your business, promotion, sales, events, or images of your business or your products or services. Right, next we'll look at composing a post. Once we're on our page here, we'll be able to scroll down, and just under our images you'll see this small box here. At the moment our page on our wall is pretty blank just because we haven't got any posts up, but that's about to change now. Because of the type of business we've chosen, we can also have reviews in here, so people will be able to write reviews and be able to comment on the business. But for the moment we'll just look at posts. This is the posting area here, or you can go to the top of the page and click create a post here. I'm going to use it just down here. Here you essentially can type out your post for your wall. You can upload a photo or a video or events or milestones. I'm going to just start with just a simple status update. So that will be the Act Hotel is open for business for Act Week 2. I can even hashtag my Act Week 2, and you'll see that it changes the style of the text to incorporate the hashtag. I can post. And once I click post, that's going to appear here on our timeline, and it's going to show when we posted it, who's available to see it. And now that that's on there, once people have liked the page and that comes up on their own feed, they'll be able to like, comment and share these posts, and that's how you're going to build your audience interaction and engagement on here. Once you've started posting and people have started to like your page, the next thing to do would be to actually look at monitoring your page. This box at the top, the page manager, will help you do so. You'll have insights on here, which you'll need 30 or more likes on your page to see your insights about your activity. This will show you how you're posting, how things are being reacted to. For instance, their reach, how many people saw a post, etc. You'll also be able to see notifications up here and your messages. This is messages where people send your page personal messages that other users can't see. For instance, being a hotel, on our example page, we might get a post saying, do you have any availability dates on this date? And you'll be able to respond to them up here. So this white area in the page manager at the top of your business page is very important, and this is your hub of activity where you'll take control over your page. In later video blogs, we'll be looking at insights once we have 30 or more likes, and how to navigate through them and how to see how your business is working in terms of your Facebook page and what benefits it's having for you. So we'll look at that in a later video blog. This will form part of measuring your efforts in a sense. So right, that's essentially your Facebook page for your business created. What I would recommend is to start posting as often as you can. Keep it on topic and on brand for your business, so don't just be posting every 5 minutes, but really think about your posts and be looking to maybe post once a day for the start, and then possibly even go up to twice a day. There's lots of people in your business, lots of activity happening, you might want to post more, but I would say aim for at least posting once a day so that you stay constant on the people that are liking you on their timeline. And think about how you compose your posts, a mixture of photos, actual text post, even things like events that might be coming up in your business, possibly even videos. Remember, in these status updates, you can also post links, so you can also link your website out. So if I were to type in the ACT Hotel, the ACT web address there, and click enter. Before I click post, you'll see that actually some information comes up, and it's actually pulling that information from our website. So you could even link out to your website on there, or to websites in your posts. So promotion. So check out our website, and I click post on there, and you'll see in a moment or so we've got the ACT Hotel shared a link. Check out our website, the link, and then information on it there, and people will be able to click on that link and be taken to the website that you've linked in there, which in this case is ours. On here you'll see ACT Week 2. These video blogs are being produced for ACT Week 2, which is happening from the 6th till the 10th of May 2014. You'll be able to follow our activity by using hashtag ActWeek2 in Twitter or in Facebook, and keep posted. We'll be releasing hopefully a number of videos for Facebook and for Twitter and for Pinterest over the coming months, and they'll be available on our YouTube page just by typing in ACT Island Wales. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more vlogs in the future. And we hope that this setting up a page for your business in Facebook was useful and helpful. If you've got any questions, you can tweet us. Our Twitter is @ACT Island Wales, and you can send any tweets about the video, things that you might be stuck on, and I can tweet you back or send any information or support for you there. Great, thanks for watching. Hi, thanks for watching. Remember, ACT Week 2 runs from the 6th to the 10th of May, and you can search our activities by using hashtag ActWeek2. The ACT project is ERDF funded through the Wales Island Interreg 4A programme.